Here's how to change add to cart button text in WooCommerce. There's actually a really simple plugin that does all the heavy lifting. Go into your WordPress plugin directory and look for custom add to cart button for WooCommerce by Kestrel. Sometimes it doesn't show up right at the top, so you might need to scroll down a bit to find it. Just install it and activate it like you would any other plugin. Once it's active, head over to your plugins page and you'll see the custom add to cart button plugin sitting there. Click settings right underneath the plugin name. What happens next is it throws you straight into the WordPress customizer, and you'll see add to cart buttons show up on the left side. Now here's where it gets interesting. There's this add to cart text field where you can type whatever you want your button to say. So instead of boring old add to cart, you could put buy, add to basket, purchase, or literally anything that fits how you talk to your customers. Right below that, there's a checkbox that says show add to cart icon. Check that if you want a little shopping cart symbol next to your text. There's also this hide the add to cart text option, which is kind of the opposite. Check this if you only want the icon and no text at all. The color stuff is pretty straightforward too. Button background lets you click select color and pick whatever matches your brand. Same deal with button text color. Just make sure people can actually read it against whatever background you picked. When you've got everything looking the way you want, hit publish at the top. Your new button shows up everywhere immediately.